Yeah. So this is the June plum. Is it a ripe one or it's a?
No, it's
so you can do a green one. It's okay.
yeah.
Cool. Because I've had lots of June plum juice, but these are very hard. That's cool. I didn't know you could do that.
Oh.
Yeah. And then we got passion fruit, which we found the other day.
Maybe some passion, you know. Passion juice and juice, you know. So now you got carrot too. Carrot knife, Ridge? Look, think so. Think carrot not that pretty. Sure.
Some hard plum, man.
Oh,
Rock. Oop. Sounds like a ball. No flex.
So
this is a whole different kind of plum juice. Yeah, normally when you get the plum juice, they're kind of, are they yellow when they're ripe?
that is passion.
Yeah, so they're very.
That's why they call it gold plum.
Ah, gold plum. So yeah, very yellow.
When
They
they're ripe.
sweeten it up. Really nice juice. You can even get it at the airport. It's a super popular drink, but this is a whole new type of green plum juice. 3 full plums. I'm gonna go check the tree quick.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be back. So plum tree is right in the backyard. If you come here, you might get lucky with the ripe ones, but there should be some green ones still on the tree because they just got picked. So here's coffee, and there is plum. Got a lot of the smaller plums just starting to come in. And then look at that, just a stack of plums. But yeah, still rock hard. I'm so surprised that they're even juiceable like that. It's a whole new thing for me. And I don't know if these like to grow side by side usually, but you can see some coffee beans coming in too. Here's
I go down there yesterday, I tell you down at the market then, you know. I know she down there, you know, don't let me go get them.
yeah, we had some of the ones that we picked with Ratsy the other day that we found by the river. Really nice. But these ones are looking juicy too.
Pretty good.
So
I see it.
yeah, people think it looks pretty strange. I love eating them though too. I crunch up the seeds. I know
Ready?
some people don't like them, but
Me used to eat them so too.
yeah, but they're pretty crunchy. So, well, yeah, it's a funky looking fruit, and when you pull it out, it's got these crazy parts that attach it to the fruit itself. Pretty wild. Smells so nice.
Today I make passion juice.
Now, do you see them in Jamaica when they're ripe and they're very brown too, like a dark color? Because that's how I usually see them when I'm in Asia. Or when I buy them at home, they import them. They're dark and they actually kind of wrinkly like this one. They're very wrinkled up, sort of a dark
But you know,
brown.
so then good for prostate cancer though.
That's what they say. Yeah, I heard that. Oh man, such a good one.
No, let me not go find them yesterday, man.
Yeah.
You're right, guy, man.
Smells so sweet in the air right now. Yeah, there's not a lot of juice in them, but it's one of those ones once you mix it up with a bit of water, it just...
Man.
It's like super concentrated, right?
Yeah.
A lot of natural cancer killers around here. Soursop
Yes, sir.
too. Soursops probably the number one, they say. Leaves and fruit.
Daddy actually can't drop on that they always say that. And you hear nothing about them there.
Superfood. Golden green. Nice proper squeeze. Such a nice color, man.
Yeah, man. Oh, God.
Yeah, these go right across from the river from the swimming hole.
Yeah.
But you gotta have a good eye to see them. I didn't notice. Ratty was the one who caught it. He saw one on the ground and said, Matthew, look, ripe one. But this one grows all year, right?
Yeah,
You find it
man.
all the time like a mango.
Yeah, some big you got high eyes, you know.
Ah,
You got chew up there on the back of that tree.
so good.
Yeah, and then it's full up one tree when I know so I have to go to town all up them and they did a beer and drop. The whole place is inoculated with what? Like the virus. Like the virus, but
So much fruit up there. You got a lot of good mangoes up there right now. Lime. And the
Everything
farm's
over
just
there.
getting planted, so. And there's the trash. Did the dogs eat this?
what's up?
Just the ants.
Not even lunch.
No? So now, always gotta do this strain.
Yes, sir. Indeed.
Whoa! Man, you got a lot out of it.
Mm-hmm.
That's surprising because it's not, I mean, you can see the fruits. They're usually, sometimes you only get one spoon out of them if you get a
Yeah.
bad one. These ones were full though.
Yeah, maybe the landlord in there.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking good land, brother.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why they're full, so. But sometimes that's one little spoon,
Yeah, you open it up and it's like one corner.
one corner.
That's all you get. You get scammed. When I buy these at home, they cost about, I think, $1 to $2 each for a little tiny wrinkly one from God knows where.
Fashion, you know, everything. Still in the moon with Jamaica. This no me not catch guy, and they dash them away. Right down on my bush there.
Mm-hmm.
Bam. Bam!
Yeah,
You know.
coming in hot. Looks gold.
Yeah, man.
Liquid gold.
And it still could have squeezed more.
Mm-hmm.
But me make it strong.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like the strong one.
Yes, sir. I man, you know.
So they call it passion fruit. Is this one good for the reptile too?
Yeah, would say everything. But they know them tell me. I mean, hear people that said, oh, good for cancer. All why illness you got. So me gonna try it.
Can't go wrong. And yeah, I like them. Sometimes they're super sweet, but when they're sour, they're nice too. It's kind of good every way. But with a bit of sugar,
Like a bit of sugar. Nah, go sweet it, you know, Matthew. You're not gonna sweet it, man.
No, it just kind of neutralizes it, sort of.
Yeah. See? Like concrete, you know, like good up to fly one and some fun good shit, you know. Pop up, you know, go find, you know. I tell you that.
No flies allowed.
Yeah. One thing, you know, you chew them, you know, brother. It is about this chew them on one place, make them run along pantry, you know, this pantry. And nobody now let them go to and eat them things, them, you know. And Then I go throw them down on the river back there. Then you climb that big tree they were out there. Couple of years and me have the passion. Them me used to out there, you know. Them used to in my ground there.
Oh.
Yeah, but me don't know a goat and cow man type on them. But this time you won't type cow and goat on them. I mean I want them to, man.
No goats allowed.
No cow allowed. No vendor allowed. If people know something we're going to be black kill out, you know. And then to heal the system, you know.
Speaking of cows, I told you I was bathing in the river last night and
Yeah.
I see a huge cow walking with a rope. I'm going, whose cow is that? What's going on?
Yeah. Cause me hear it pan the bus them talk about the cow. So sooner or later, Matthew sends the cow with that huge long rope.
Yeah.
Going down pan the next PG river.
Like he escaped or something.
Like he escaped also. But past couple 2 weeks, I saw the cow right there in my ground.
Oh.
On my ground side I eat the feeding. Well then she is sewing in the black bowl. I don't know how a cow. But the boss saying see that go down the river in the evening when he come in for bathe. Down pan the river there, but to see the cow I go down pan that river. So we don't know how after we going to hear this morning me are driving a blue bus and them I say cow missing.
Uh-huh.
So that
But they thought it was a thief and I thought it just walked away.
Yeah.
From what I could tell, yeah.
But then can pull it Pete walk away because for 2 weeks me see them down there.
Okay, so
Me see the cow. Me never even see it. Every time them I come and tell me say so you know raise cow down there. I don't know what kind of cow then see a black cow or ratty. I don't see the cow all now. But finally I to send the cow and the cow gone down the river with a long rope.
Yeah, it surprised the hell out of me. I was just bathing, relaxing, meditating, and I look up and not far is this huge cow just lumbering across the beach.
Yeah, so we don't know what done from last night when then said this morning the cow missing. But from 2 weeks, the cow been time there. Yeah. Yeah, so I know my own. And then say cow tie them do. I'm go look at rock and a cow all now. Afterward now, what to say one black cow. So after 2 weeks the cow did it. And then like but saying go be and the cow maybe escape, Matthew say the cow maybe escape gone down the river. So
that's what it looked like to me.
And it look like, so we don't know if they steal it or what, but so that the man say. Cause me hear them in a blue bus with it this morning, about cow.
It's so funny, last night I hear about it or I see him and then this morning you're chatting about it on the bus as if some thief was around taking cows.
So we don't know how the movement from the man see the cow. Cause me not there to watch people sitting, you know. Me there to watch my business and my ground. Yeah. So big up every night sweet Jamaican girl. Empress there, me hear that. Every sweet Jamaican girl. Canada, Caribbean, all over the Caribbean. But the hottest girl Jamaica everywhere. I'm Mokko friends them. Big up all of them. No big up. Either you hold you young, big up. Especially to the Jamaican hot skull them, you know. Hot girl them, hottest girl them, you know.
Hot skull.
Yeah man, the hottest girl them, you know, from everywhere. You're welcome here, you know. No problem. Ras Kitchen is here. Sitting and waiting, you know. Sitting and waiting with some passion juice. See?
That's a good song. Sitting and watching.
Yes,
or waiting, whatever it is.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah.
Is that Sugar Minott? I think it is. Sitting and watching.
But we have some video to make one item, the fire water, you know? Don't know which is
we'll do that next time for sure.
Don't know which is the real deal. Because we have the fire water, we cook the egg pan, we couldn't see, you know? Yeah, why not? We see what I'm going on.
Oh, yes.
passion and Jew plum. This nice drink here. See all the beautiful people them in the world. Man, woman, everything. Passion juice with plum. Kill all the prostate. So who have the cancer you come. Can't heal you, know. Can't heal you. Cause we have every remedy for cancer around here, you know. Around here. Yes, sir.
I'm so excited to try the green June plum. That's
Come on.
so cool. Good?
Some pashy.
Pashy and June plum?
Passion and June plum, brother.
What? Blessing.
Oh
Yeah.
my god. The June plum mix almost gives it like a little grassy, little extra sour, and then mixed with the passion sweetness. It definitely makes the passion fruit taste different. Almost calms down the passion because the passion can be overpowering sometimes. But, woo! That's like health kick. Whoa. All right, come here. Get June plum and passion. Goodness.
Big ups, Lofi.
How's that tasting?
Sweet.
Too good.
Mocha.
It's too good. Over good, man.
Over good. Amazing.
Come on, too good over good.